Hello, dear friends, and welcome back to another enlightening episode of Levitas, your ultimate destination for unlocking the secrets to optimal weight loss, health, and well-being. Today, we embark on an exhilarating journey into the world of intermittent fasting, a powerful strategy for achieving quick and sustainable weight loss. So, come on and join us as we get ready to discover the transformative effects of fasting and revolutionize your health. Stay with us. What is intermittent fasting? Before we dive into the intricacies of intermittent fasting, let's first understand what fasting is all about. Fasting is the intentional abstention from food for a set period of time, typically ranging from several hours to several days, the last normally considered as a prolonged fast. It's a natural metabolic process that has been practiced by several ancient and modern cultures around the world for centuries and has recently gained popularity for its numerous health benefits, including weight loss. Intermittent fasting is not just a diet trend. It's a powerful tool for optimizing health and achieving weight loss goals. By strategically timing our eating windows and periods of fasting, we can tap into our body's natural ability to burn fat, boost metabolism, and promote cellular repair through a process called autophagy. But what does autophagy mean? Let's unravel autophagy. Autophagy is a cellular process that occurs during fasting, where the body breaks down and recycles old and damaged cells to promote cellular renewal and repair. It's like a built-in detox and rejuvenation mechanism that helps keep our cells healthy and functioning optimally. Autophagy is like a spring cleaning for our cells. It clears out the old and damaged proteins and components, making way for brand new and healthy ones. By promoting autophagy through intermittent fasting, we can support overall health and longevity. How do timing and duration of intermittent fasting work? So how long should you fast for weight loss, and when is the best time to break a fast? The optimal fasting duration and timing may vary depending on individual goals and preferences, but here are some general guidelines to consider. Fasting duration. For weight loss, aim for fasting periods of 16 to 24 hours, known as intermittent fasting. You can increase your daily fasting time window gradually until you get to the 16 to 24 hours protocols. Start progressively from a 12-hour intermittent fasting protocol and add 1 hour every day. What this does is that it allows enough time for your body to deplete its glycogen stores and transition into fat-burning mode, leading to an accelerated fat loss. Breaking the fast. The time to break a fast is during the beginning of your eating window, which typically is calculated. But for beginners, you can start by breaking your fasting window after 12 hours or when feeling hungry. Keep your fasting window for at least 12 hours. Start with a high-quality, high-protein, nutrient-dense meal to gently reintroduce food to your digestive system and prevent digestive discomfort. Avoid highly processed and sugary foods at all costs, as eating them right after a fast will reduce or even nullify the benefits of your fasting window. How to break your fasting window safely? How you break a fast is just as important as the duration itself. To ensure a smooth transition back to eating, follow these tips for breaking your fast safely and effectively. This is even more important after prolonged fasting windows. Tip number 1. Start intelligent. Begin with easily digestible foods such as vegetables and high-quality lean proteins to avoid overwhelming your digestive system. Tip number 2. Hydrate. Drink plenty of water or herbal tea to rehydrate your body and support optimal digestion. If needed, use some electrolyte powder just to keep your body well hydrated. Focus on high-quality electrolytes powders with no additional sugar or synthetic sweeteners too. Tip number 3. Listen to your body. Pay attention to hunger cues and also stop eating when you feel satisfied. Overeating after a fast can lead to digestive discomfort and sabotage your weight loss efforts. Always prioritize your protein intake over other types of foods during your eating window. Up next, we will learn about what are the health benefits of fasting. Despite the potential risks, intermittent fasting offers a multitude of health benefits when practiced correctly. Some of the key advantages of intermittent fasting for you include: Key advantage number 1, weight loss. By promoting fat-burning, intermittent fasting can lead to significant weight loss and improved body composition. Key advantage number 2, improved insulin sensitivity. Fasting helps regulate insulin levels, blood sugar levels, and enhance insulin sensitivity, reducing the risk of prediabetes, type 2 diabetes, and metabolic disorders. Key advantage number 3, enhanced brain function. Fasting has been shown to boost cognitive function, improve focus, and protect against age-related cognitive decline, mainly due to the production of ketones, which serve as an excellent fuel source for your brain. These particles called ketones are a byproduct of the burning of fat storages, and that our bodies can learn to use as a fuel source. Key advantage number 4, cellular repair and renewal. Autophagy, triggered by fasting, promotes cellular repair and rejuvenation, supporting overall health and longevity. This process is similar to recycling of old and damaged proteins to rebuild healthy and new cells. Intermittent fasting is not just about weight loss, it's about optimizing health and longevity. By harnessing the power of fasting, we can reach into our body's innate healing mechanisms and unlock our full potential for vitality and well-being. Tapping into this process called autophagy is a clear way to maintain good health. What are the risks of overfasting? While intermittent fasting offers numerous health benefits, it's essential to avoid overfasting as it can have negative consequences on your health and well-being. Some potential risks of excessive fasting include: potential risk number 1, nutrient deficiencies. Prolonged fasting can lead to deficiencies in essential nutrients, such as vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and electrolytes, compromising overall health and vitality. This means you could experience poor skin health, hair loss, muscle breakdown, weakness, and poor cognitive function. So, if you are planning on doing a prolonged fasting, focus on supplementation, such as water-soluble vitamins like B-complex vitamins and vitamin C, for example. Also, take a sip on some electrolytes during moments of the day to keep yourself functioning correctly. Potential risk number 2, muscle loss. Extended fasting periods may cause muscle breakdown as the body turns to muscle tissue for energy in the absence of adequate fuel from food. This is the main reason why, when you break your fast, you should principally focus on your protein intake rather than other types of foods. Potential risk number 3, metabolic slowdown. Chronic fasting can slow down metabolism. This leads to metabolic adaptation, making it harder to lose weight in the long term and easier to regain the weight. Now let's look for the signs of successful fasting. How do you know if you're fasting successfully? Here are some main signs to look out for. Sign number 1, increased energy levels. Many people experience a surge in energy and mental clarity during fasting periods, indicating improved metabolic function and fat burning. Ketones improve mood and even provide energy for your daily routine. Sign number 2, stable blood sugar levels. Successful fasting is often accompanied by stable blood sugar levels and reduced cravings for sugary foods, indicating improved insulin sensitivity and glucose metabolism. Sign number 3, enhanced mood. Fasting has been shown to improve mood and reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. Thanks to the release of ketones, endorphins, and other feel-good neurotransmitters. How can you master intermittent fasting? Ready to harness the power of intermittent fasting for quick weight loss and optimal health? Here are some practical tips to help you get started. Fasting tip number 1, start slow. Begin with shorter fasting windows, at least 12-hour windows, and gradually increase the duration as your body adjusts. Experiment with different fasting protocols to find what works best for you. Fasting tip number 2, stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water, herbal tea, and electrolyte-rich beverages during fasting periods to stay hydrated and support cellular function. Remember to avoid any beverages with sugar or artificial sweeteners, since they take you off your fasting window in a blink of an eye. Fasting tip number 3, pay good attention to your body. It is very important to pay attention to hunger cues, energy levels, and overall well-being. If you feel unwell or overly fatigued, it's essential to break your fast and nourish your body with wholesome foods. Remember to start slow and that it is essential to stop if your body is giving you the signs like the ones we learned today, or if you are feeling headaches or fainting. Fasting is supposed to make you feel better, not worse. Having a nutrient-dense meal full of proteins, healthy fats, vegetables, and no refined carbohydrates is the first thing to do. In conclusion, and to summarize today's video, fasting is a powerful tool that can be used to improve metabolic health, weight loss, mental clarity, mood, and cellular repair. You can take advantage of this benefits by doing intermittent fasting in the right way, which means having your normal calories and macronutrients for the day in a reduced period of time. Do not eat less. The potential risks and side effects appear to you when you do not eat your needed calories and macronutrients during your eating window. Thank you for joining us on this empowering journey into the world of intermittent fasting. If you found this video insightful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all our latest content on weight loss, health, and well-being. Don't forget to share your thoughts, experiences, and questions in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content that empowers and inspires all of us on our journey to health and vitality. Until next time, may you thrive on the power of intermittent fasting and embrace the abundance of a healthy lifestyle. Stay happy, stay healthy, and keep going.